So hello guys, I am Surbi and this is lesson 2 of our beginners mandala series. So in lesson 1 we talked about basic shapes and the materials that are used in mandala, and today we will talk about how you can make your own patterns and fillers. And I'll explain everything that how you can make different patterns using these basic shapes. So now let's begin. So now I'll tell you how you can make your own patterns using these shapes. So for that you need to know about all the basic shapes that are used in mandala. So we talked about all the basic shapes in the lesson 1. Now I'm going to teach you how you can make your own patterns using these. So we will learn how to make patterns using simple lines, dot and very simple fillers. So first we have rounded petals. So let's draw a rounded petal. Then double the lining of the rounded petal, and after that we have these simple things like lines, dots, spirals. So we are going to use these to make patterns. So first draw a line in the middle and draw some more lines at one side, and at another side draw some diagonal lines like this. And that's how we made the first and easiest pattern, as you can see. So this is the very basic filler we use in mandala. Then for next, again we will do the same. Draw a rounded petal, double the lining, draw a line, and we will draw diagonal lines at one side, and at another side just a line and dot. This is also a pattern, and these patterns looks amazing in mandala because these are very simple and good. And then again draw a rounded petal and just a line and a dot. This also counts as a pattern. So making patterns in mandala is not about making very difficult pattern too hectic. Even simple patterns make mandala look beautiful. And also I will not suggest beginners to make very hectic patterns at beginning, because mandala is all about repeating patterns, and if you start with difficult and hectic patterns you will not be able to continue. So I suggest you to use these very simple and basic fillers. So you can draw all these simple patterns easily. That's how you can make your own patterns. Draw petal, double the lining, and also we draw double lines to make patterns, and there is a reason. If we double the lining of petals, the details look more good. So you can make your own patterns using these simple shapes and lines and dots. So I'll show you some more patterns, and if you want you can watch my patterns video. I made 20 patterns for beginners. So let's continue this. this is how you can make your own simple patterns. So make your own patterns, and that's it for today. You can make very different patterns using just these simple things. And in the lesson 1, I have told you how you can practice. So I'm telling you again. Just take a notebook and practice making these patterns in lines. Because by practicing in the notebook, you will get used to practicing in the circles. So you won't find it difficult when making mandala. So if you are making your own patterns and you want to share with me, you can share with me on Instagram. And if you have any questions related to mandala art, you can ask me in the comment section. Feel free to ask anything about mandala art. And in the next video, we will talk about center designs. In the next video, I'll show you very easy and beautiful center designs that you can make very easily. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.